Good morning, Arslan. I understand that you are going to carry out some maintenance work at height today. Can you briefly explain what work you are going to do?
Good morning, sir. Yes, I need to replace some damaged components at an elevated location. The work will take approximately 2 hours if everything goes according to plan.
Okay. Before you start, have you checked the work at height permit and made sure that all the required precautions are mentioned in it?
Yes, sir. I have reviewed the permit with my supervisor. The hazards, control measures, access arrangements, and fall protection requirements have all been discussed with the team.
That's good. What type of access equipment are you planning to use to reach the work area?
We are going to use a mobile scaffold platform because it provides a stable working platform. We have also checked that it is suitable for the height and the type of work we are doing.
Has the scaffold been inspected by a competent person before you use it?
Yes, sir. The scaffold has been inspected and we checked the working platform, guardrails, access ladder, and other important parts. We will not use it if we notice any unsafe condition.
Excellent. I can see that you are wearing a safety harness. Have you inspected your harness and lanyard before starting the job?
Yes, I inspected them before putting them on. I checked the webbing, stitching, buckles, hooks, and lanyard for any signs of damage or wear.
Good. And where are you planning to connect your lanyard while you are working?
I will connect it only to the approved anchor point provided for fall protection. I will make sure that I remain properly protected whenever there is a risk of falling.
Very good. Never connect your lanyard to a handrail, pipe, or any other point unless it has been confirmed as suitable for that purpose.
Understood, sir. If I am not sure about an anchor point, I will stop and ask the supervisor before connecting my lanyard.
Now tell me about the area below the work location. What arrangements have you made to protect other workers?
We have barricaded the area below and placed warning signs around it. Other workers have also been informed not to enter the restricted area while work is taking place above.
Why is it important to keep people away from the area below?
Because there is a possibility that a tool, component, or other material could accidentally fall from the working platform. Keeping people outside the drop zone reduces the risk of someone being struck by a falling object.
Exactly. And what precautions will you take with the tools that you carry to the working platform?
I will keep the tools properly secured and use tool lanyards where required. I will also avoid leaving loose tools or materials near the edge of the platform.
Good. Have you considered the weather conditions before starting the work?
Yes, sir. We checked the weather conditions before planning the activity. At the moment, the conditions are suitable and there are no strong winds that could make the work.
Suppose the wind becomes stronger while you are working. What would you do?
I would stop the activity and move to a safe location. Then I would inform my supervisor and wait until the conditions are safe before restarting the work.
Very good. What would you do if you noticed that part of the scaffold had become unstable or damaged during the job?
I would stop working immediately and come down safely. I would report the problem to my supervisor and make sure nobody uses the scaffold until it has been inspected and made safe.
Good answer. One more thing. Have emergency and rescue arrangements been discussed with the team?
Yes, sir. We discussed what to do in an emergency and how to raise the alarm. I also understand that we should follow the site rescue procedure instead of trying to carry out an unplanned rescue.
Excellent, Arslan. Remember that working at height can become dangerous very quickly if we ignore basic precautions. Follow the permit, use the correct equipment, and stop the job whenever you believe the conditions are unsafe.
Absolutely, sir. I understand the risks and I will follow the work at height procedure throughout the activity. If anything changes or I have any doubt, I will stop the job and speak to my supervisor.
Perfect. Complete your final checks with the team and then you can start to work safely.
Thank you, sir. We will complete the checks before starting.